There was nothing to say the day she left. I just filled the suitcase full of regrets. I hailed a taxi in the rain, looking for some place to ease the pain. Whoa, just like an answered prayer, I turned around and found you there. You really know where to start fixing a broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams are falling apart. Fixing a broken heart. Ooh. No, I don't understand what I'm going through. There must be a plan that led me to you, because the hurt just disappears in every moment that you are near. Yeah, just like an answered prayer, you make the loneliness easy to bear. You really know where to start fixing a broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams are falling apart. Fixing a broken heart. Soon the rain will stop falling, baby, and I forget the past, 'cause here we are at last. You really know where to start fixing a broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams are falling apart. Fixing a broken heart. Fixing a broken heart.
More of your favorite love songs right here on your sweetest radio station. I don't like to sleep alone. Stay with me, don't go. Talk with me for just a while. So much of you to get to know. Reaching out, touching you, leaving all your worries all behind. Loving you the way I do, my mouth on yours and yours and mine. Marry me, let me live with you. Nothing's wrong when love is right. Like a man said in his song, only make it through the night. Loneliness can get you down when you got the feeling no one cares. Lean on me, and I lean on you. Together we will see you through. Oh, I don't like to sleep alone. It's sad to think some folks do. So I don't like to sleep alone. No one does. Do you? No one does. Do you?
Ayan, may nag-request kasi kanina. Every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.
It's Timeless versus Caparuana Sonata.
The smell of your skin, the taste of your kiss, the way you whisper in the dark, your hair all around me, baby, you surround me, you touch every place in my heart. Oh, it feels like the first time. Every time I wanna spend the whole night in your eyes. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Every little thing that you do, I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I that you do. Oh, every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.
And of course, special thanks to kapatid Edeline Kalimlim for our t-shirt. Thank you very much. Here's something from Kenny Rankin. For those who are afraid nga iparang apo dagiti ayat yu hingga na sa bibiyag pahay dagita nga tataong ipagayon hanyo ilablamang kasko na dati sa mata.
I've been so alone all my life, couldn't give my heart to anyone, hiding myself was a man who needed to be held like everyone. Smiling tears, I look for warmth between the tears. I never ever found her, never ever found me. Yes, I did seem to grasp at straws. They surely broke all the time. So I hid inside till I almost died. Yes, I hid inside and I cried, loving love, in a sensitive man, hiding inside myself. Then you came out of nowhere. I could not believe my heart. Didn't know how to tell you, didn't know where to start. When I hid inside, I almost died. Yes, I hid inside and I cried, loving her, in a sensitive man. I know you'll understand. I love you.
Para kay DJ Hans na nag-aantay ng special na araw.
You stand today like we always dreamed, starting out our lives together.
This is your wedding song.
Light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever. Been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't be surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, and I will honor every word that I say on this day.
Ito today jing aldawan. Iti hindi pa nagkasal.
Not so long ago, this heart was just a field of cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's revealed, and the story of my life is all about you. So if you feel the cool winds blowing through your nostrils, I will shelter you and forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrendered my heart. Here
So, dasit ka ro ba? Kahit 5 lang nga minuto na kahit magpasan ti programa may. So, that iti mano yung adyon seriales.
And of course, John Mark Pastor.
Sing good day. God bless everyone. Thank you very much for being with us. Till next time, same time, same channel. Dito lang po, 97.7 Sweet Radio, Santiago
City, nagsam 8.
Lately I have had the strangest feeling.
Wow, Stevie Wonder.
With no vivid reason yet to find, but yet the thought of losing you've been hanging round my mind. Far from frequently you're wearing perfume, and when you say no special place to go, but when I ask will you be coming back soon, you don't know, never know. Well, I'm a man of many wishes, I hope my premonition is still, but when I really feel, my eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they always starts to cry. 'Cause this time could mean goodbye. Lately I've been staring at the mirror very slowly, picking me apart, trying to tell myself I had no reason with your heart. Just the other night while you were sleeping, I vaguely heard you whispered someone's name. But when I asked you what I thought you're keeping, you just said nothing's changed. Well, I'm a man of many wishes. I hope my premonition missed it. But will I really feel? My eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they always start to cry. 'Cause this time could mean good.
So long, Frags. Goodbye, everyone. And of course, see you again next week. Dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio.
Santiago City, nagsamit.
So that's it. Bye-bye! 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 Nagbayag mo ako mo siyempre.